विश्वेशं माधवं धुण्डिं दण्डपाणिं च भैरवम् वन्दे काशीं गुहां गङ्गां भवानीं मणिकर्णिकाम्। Welcome devotees. In this episode, we will see few more shivlings installed by rishis in Kashi, namely Vasishteshwar, Vamdeveshwar and Yajnavalkeshwar. Vasishteshwar. Kashikand chapter 18 mentions that various shivlings have been installed in the holy city of Kashi by great rishis. Vasishtha Rishi has installed one shivling which is known as Vasishteshwar. A devotee who worships Vasishteshwar Ling will reach the Prajapati Lok after death. Prajapati Lok is considered to be that superior part of heaven. Vasishteshwar forms a part of holy Panchakrosh Yatra. Vasishteshwar Ling is located at Sankta Ghat, and this place falls in the vicinity of Panchamudra Mahapeeth and Manikarnika Kshetra. Puja performed here will yield multiple benefits. Devotees can travel up to Chowk by rickshaw and walk up to this place by foot via Sankata Devi temple, which is a famous landmark. Alternatively, they can take a boat ride up to Sankata Ghat and walk up the steps. People coming here can worship Vamdeveshwar and Yajnavalkeshwar, which are nearby. Vamdeveshwar. Vamdeveshwar Shivling finds mention in chapter 100 of Kashi Khand. This holy Shivling is a part of several religious yatras undertaken in Kashi like Panchakrosh Yatra, Antargrihi Yatra, etc. According to Kashi Khand, devotees who worship this ling will see that all their obstacles in life will be driven away by the Lord. Vamadeveshwar Shivling is located in the same room where Vasishteshwar Shivling is located. This comes in Sankta Ghat. Devotees may travel up to Chowk by rickshaw and walk up to this place, or travel by boat up to Sankta Ghat and climb up the steps. Devotees can worship Vasishteshwar and Yajnavalkeshwar, both of which are nearby. Yajnavalkeshwar. Yajnavalkeshwar Shivling finds mention in chapter 97 of Kashi Khand. This Shivling has been installed by Rishi Yajnavalkya. Devotees who worship Yajnavalkeshwar will be blessed with increase in Brahma Tejas, that is, radiating energy for students. Yajnavalkeshwar is located near Vasishteshwar and Vamadeveshwar, and devotees can reach this place by traveling up to Chowk by rickshaw, then walking on foot.